Okay, these are the instructions for the video master. You need to record the video once you have all gotten in there. That's your role. So the first thing you're going to do is click on your group. So you need to know your group. So for example, if I'm in group 3, I'm going to click on group 3 and go to this meeting. You need to go there immediately. So hopefully you're the very first one there. Open Microsoft Teams. And you'll start on a meeting. My camera I don't think is going to work because I have 2 cameras going right now, but that's okay. Let's get this going. Okay, I'm going to join the meeting. And then as soon as I get in here, I'm going to click more actions, these 3 little dots right here, and I'm going to click start recording. You'll see this little screen come up. Just click dismiss, and that's all you have to do. Immediately getting in here, you go up here, and it says stop recording, but before it will say start recording, and that's all you have to do.